Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Kyrox. Today we're going to play Untitled Bakery. I was going to play 6 p.m. but I got scared and I'm just gonna play it with another player and record it. I'm just gonna play this for now and like tomorrow or I don't know, but I'm going to continue 6 p.m. and yeah, I'm going to play this for now. I hope that this is fun. From Joseph, Mutton, Mustache, none. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's play. I don't know how to play this. Yeah, almost said no. Welcome to the bakery, lad. I'm the head baker, Mad Dev Luke, and I'll show you. I'll show you around the bakery. So to first start off, of course you need the ingredients. And somewhere behind you is the ingredient shelf. These ingredients include flour, yeast, water. You need to collect your water cup to collect. Hold your water cup to collect sugar and eggs. Here we are. Here we see the mixing bowls and further off the side the meat grinder. This is where the main action is happening, where you make the baked goods. When you're making bread in this game and in real life, you'll need it. Haha, see what I did there? You're not funny. Joke. What do I need? To need the dough, bring the pans to. Sorry. The breaking bread making process. After you need it, you'll have to place in this shelf and let it proof. Okay. Final step mostly. Okay. 6 items on the ground. Okay. Okay. No. I found. Okay. What the fuck do I do? Okay. Let's first see. Let's make bread. Oh, let's go here. Track.
Hello, MIX. One pork pie.
One pork pie. One pork pie. Pie crust. What? Flour, water, butter. Flour, water, butter. My gosh. Flour, water, water. Ah, butter. Where the frick is the butter? Chocolate. Where the oh, there's the butter. And let's mix. What the fuck? What do you mean cake? Oh, pardon. Eh. Take item. And what do I do now? Ground pork needing card files. Ground pork. Where the heck is the pork? Park. Here. Ground park. Where the frick? Inventory. Kinda. What? What the? Where's the? What? What? What the? What the frick? What kind of? Oh, filled pie crust. Oh, I'm so dumb. Hehe. Pork pie. Dum ba da da dum da 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 dum. Is anyone okay? Nothing. Pork pies. Sir pork pie.
Thank you.
Okay, just sneeze.
Hello, can I get one?
Chocolate cake with icing. Okay. Chocolate cake with icing. Butter, flour, milk, sugar. Butter, flour, milk, sugar. Butter, flour, milk, sugar. Butter, flour, milk, sugar. No, not the water. Do I need water? No, I don't need water. Do you want water? Need milk, sugar. The heck? Egg, butter, milk, sugar. Egg, butter, milk, sugar. Egg, butter, milk, sugar. Egg, butter, milk, sugar. Egg. How do I? How do I freaking? What? How do I freaking? Do I need to open this? Huh? What? The heck? How do I open this? Sugar, milk, and no. How do I open this? Do I need to open this milk? What the heck? How? Am I just not listening? Chocolate. Chocolate cake. What? Flour, butter, flour, milk, sugar, egg. Do you need egg? Am I missing egg? Because if I need egg, I'm just gonna throw myself out here. What the heck? What do you mean water? I don't need water. Yeah, this is broken. I'm just going to do it all over again because the fuck. Yeah, this is broken. Quick icing. Ah shit. Dumb. Super dumb. Butter. Butter, flour, milk, sugar. Butter, flour, milk, sugar, egg. Butter, milk, sugar, egg. Butter, flour, milk, sugar, egg, and chocolate. Do I need to do all? Oh, I need to do all. Dumb. That's why it didn't work. Dumb. Dummy, dumb, dumb, dumb. Chocolate cake layer. And the cake is on fire. Okay. Just a dumb, 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 dumb. Oops. Icing. Add icing. Finish up. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here. Where's the cake stands? Just gonna put it here. I'm dumb! Why did I do that? Why did I put that? I hate myself. Why did I do that? 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 I'm dumb. Gosh. Super dumb. Shit. Alright. Take butter and chocolate. Take dough. Place dough. Chocolate layer. I need to what do I need? Cake icing. Oops. Buttermilk sugar, okay. Ay shit. Butter. No. Butter, milk, sugar. I'm taking too long. Ugh, so complicated, but it's okay. I thought it's spread icing. There. Finish up. Here with chocolate icing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, can I get
One tart. And strawberry tart. Flour, butter, sugar, egg. Flour, butter, sugar, egg. Flour, butter, sugar, egg. Flour, butter, sugar, egg. Butter, sugar, egg. Flour, butter, sugar, egg. Crust of custard. Of tart. Just going to do the raspberry jam and custard. Cherries. Raspberry jam and custard.